At Imperial Die Casting Company, excellence in aluminum die casting isn't just a promise, it's our legacy. Located in Liberty, South Carolina, we set the standard for quality and innovation in manufactured and finished parts. Our team of experts range of die casting machines, cutting-edge technology, and automation systems allows us to adapt to an extensive range of industries and complex requirements. We optimize products to be stronger, lighter, and more cost-effective for our clients, delivering tailored solutions with unrivaled precision. With upfront engineering, advanced data automation, and reporting, we ensure that every project is executed with the utmost caliber and integrity. RCM Industries' family culture extends to our unwavering customer care. We're committed to understanding your needs, exceeding your expectations, and providing real value through every stage of the manufacturing process. Experience the difference with Imperial Die Casting Company, an RCM Industries division. Let's build the future of manufacturing together.